Sarajevo now, heading to Belgrade. So Google wants me to go over here, saying that it's faster than here. That's interesting. Let's try and we'll see. No. Okay. Ça passe pas là. Ok. Thank you. Ouais, ça a pas l'air. Ok. Thank you. We're good for the extra 20 kilometers. Oh, fuck it. This is Serbia on the other side. I don't know what it means, but what I know is it's free charging in Bijeljina, something like this. Bijeljina.
Sam dobro prevela. Only tu...
Pošto smo mi vozači, znamo da autobus ne može mora čekati.
Ja sam pogrešno prevela.
Kako ti zove ima isto?
Yes.
And you drive all alone?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's electric.
What is speed?
The speed.
Yes.
Maximum speed.
Yes.
200 kilometers.
200 kilometara.
Ima ubrzanje ogromne. Ovo je motor, ovdje.
Yes. Battery and motor. Yes.
You don't have sound.
No.
I know. Strange when you drive and you don't hear.
Yes.
Like, because I try to drive once. I was always looking and expecting the sound, but nothing.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
On my way to Belgrade now. Crossing the bridge between Bosnia and Serbia. Sometimes they call it Friendship Bridge. Arriving in Belgrade, I have 6% left It starts to rain just now, and I should be good.